So here's another bit of truth in the spiritual path. And the truth is, awakening to the truth won't happen just by sitting quietly in your meditation practice. It won't. Why? Because awakening to the truth is an active process. The process is about witnessing your mind and dismantling the mind. And sitting down quietly is a passive work. The work that is not associated with awakening. When you sit down and give up the work of dismantling part, you're sitting down with your conditioning. You're sitting down with your belief. You're sitting down with your imagination about the truth. And sitting down, not doing the work, that act itself is coming from your own mind that is copy and paste from the world. You have heard that you just need to sit down quietly and the truth will happen. Something like that. And you're sitting down and waiting. Definitely sitting down and quieting yourself is a great relaxation. But waking up to the truth is not about relaxation at all. Yeah, the byproduct of awakening can give you the relaxation. Waking up to the truth, the journey to make that, to the process, it's not relaxing. Why it's not relaxing? Because it's about peeling your identification, investigating your attachment, and also giving up your attachment to that identification. And giving up the identification is not ease, it's a torture. That process is going against the flow. Your conditioning is the flow. Ripping your conditioning is going against the flow. And going against the flow is not an easy process. Doesn't come with ease. Your ego won't like it. Ego is about identification and building up on that identification.